got a tertiary substrate, water as your base, and heat. This is E1. E1 stands for elimination, unimolecular, and the key thing to know is that it happens in two separate steps, not all at once like E2. In the first step, the leading group just leaves on its own. That gives you a carbocation intermediate sitting there. Then in the second step, the base comes in and pulls off a beta hydrogen, and that forms your double bond. You get the Zaitsev product, which is the more substituted alkene. Let's walk through the mechanism. The bromine group leaves, you get your carbocation, and then water acts as a base and removes that beta hydrogen. Double bond forms, and you're done. Here's the big thing you need to watch out for. Because you have a carbocation intermediate just sitting there between the two steps, it can rearrange. A secondary carbocation will do a hydride shift to become a tertiary because that's more stable. Another thing to note with E1 is that it always competes with SN1. They both go through the same carbocation, but with E1, the base pulls off a hydrogen and you get an alkene, whereas SN1, the nucleophile attacks and you get an alcohol. Heat is what pushes the reaction towards E1. So remember, E1 is a weak base, heat, two steps, carbocation intermediate. Watch out for rearrangements, and it competes with SN1. Just these reactions at orgosolver.com.